Sydney. It is the largest and oldest city in Australia. It was founded in 1788 by Arthur Phillip, who was commander of the first British fleet to arrive in Australia. Sydney is located on Australia's east coast. It is the most populous city in Australia. Sydney is considered to be the largest economic, commercial and cultural centre in Australia. Sydney is famous for its unique beaches and distinctive tourist attractions in the world. Sydney is the most beautiful and important Australian city. It combines the magic of nature with modern life. Sydney is also distinguished by the diversity of cultures and nationalities from all countries of the world. It is one of the most expensive cities in the world. Sydney is also ranked among the best livable cities in the world. Now we will review the most prominent landmarks of Sydney. Sydney Opera House. The Sydney Opera House is one of the most famous landmarks in the world, and is the amazing icon of Australia. It is one of the most prestigious performing arts centers in the world. It is distinguished by its magnificent architectural design, which is considered one of the finest engineering designs in the 20th century. The Opera House presents more than 1,500 performances annually. The Sydney Opera House was included in the UNESCO World Heritage List in 2007. Sydney Harbour Bridge. It is the largest steel arch bridge in the world, and one of the most famous symbols in the world. The bridge was built in 1932 with a height of up to 134 meters. The bridge connects downtown Sydney to its north shore. The beautiful appearance of the bridge, and its proximity to the Opera House have made it a popular tourist icon for Sydney. St. Mary's Cathedral, Sydney. It is one of the most prominent symbols and landmarks in Sydney. It is the Catholic cathedral in Sydney. Its majestic Gothic-style facade and twin towers make it a stunning landmark of Sydney. Bondi Beach. The spacious, crescent-shaped Bondi Beach, with white sandy, is one of Sydney's most popular attractions. The famous Bondi Beach attracts swimmers and surfers from all over the world due to its strong waves. The coastal walk from Bondi Beach to Coogee Beach. The Bondi-Coogee Trail stretches on top of a coastal cliff for 6 kilometers in the eastern suburbs of Sydney. The boardwalk features spectacular views, beaches, gardens, cliffs, bays and rock-topped ponds. The boardwalk passes 5 stunning beaches. Sydney Tower Eye. It is the perfect place for sightseeing in Sydney. The tower is 309 meters high. The tower offers visitors panoramic views of Sydney and the surrounding suburbs. Queen Victoria Building. It is an archaeological building that was built in the 19th century. It was designed to be a market and concert hall. It was built as a monument to the ruling queen. This elegant building has many distinct colorful ornate windows and domes. In addition to the splendor of the building, it includes many sculptures, and there is a statue of Queen Victoria is located at one of the entrances. The Rocks. It's the beginning of it all in Sydney. It is a historic and oldest neighbourhood in the city, where the indigenous Australian lived. Then it became the first European settlement in Australia. Today it has become a popular tourist area. The Rocks district has a range of historic archaeological sites, buildings, and narrow cobbled lanes to bustling markets, crowded restaurants and elegant modern bars. I hope you enjoyed this short trip to Sydney. To see more, please subscribe. Thank you for following up.